Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video in our channel. And like all our hiring videos, this is also going to be a very important hiring video. In this video also we're going to talk about multiple hiring drives. There is a very good chance of getting revert back. For this video we're going to discuss about 4 hirings. First hiring is coming from Qualcomm. They are hiring for automation engineer for Python or C. Second hiring coming from IBM for software developer intern. Third hiring for today will be coming from Wipro HR services. Final hiring for today is coming from UPSTOX for product analyst job role. So we're going to see all of these hirings one by one. Let's start. First we are going to start with the UPSTOX hiring for product analyst job role. The hiring location they have mentioned as Mumbai. Let's see what are the requirements they have mentioned for this particular hiring. They are asking for 0 to 3 years of experience. So freshers are also eligible, and those candidates who are already working have less than 3 years of experience, they're eligible for this. Undergraduate degrees in an analytical or equivalent field like statistics, computer science, engineering, mathematics or data science. If you have an undergraduate degree in any of these fields, you are eligible. Graduate from a top tier college, strong data, statistics and analytical skills. Familiarity with data visualization, ability to thrive in a fast-paced startup environment. Proficient in managing extensive datasets, proficiency in programming languages like R and Python. These things are required for this particular hiring. Go and apply for this hiring. Make sure to add 3 to 4 of these requirements in your resume before applying, like SQL skills, Excel skills, these things, Python. Let's check the next hiring. Next hiring coming from Wipro. This is a very good opportunity coming from Wipro for 2023 batch especially. This is especially a freshers hiring announced from Wipro. This is going to be a very big hiring, and they have mentioned all the details we are going to see. First of all, there will be an interview, and the location of the interview is going to be Chennai. So if you are willing to go to Chennai for giving the interview, only then you should apply for this hiring. Work location, it will be Coimbatore. So you have to work in Coimbatore location. Batch only 2023 pass outs are eligible for this. Eligibility criteria will be BTech or MCA students are eligible, and you should have 60% in your current degree, and you should not have any backlogs. So you should have 60% marks in your BTech degree. Okay, they have not asked 60% marks throughout your academic career. And also you should not have any current backlog. The designation will be trainee. Shift timing will be 11:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. So cab facility will be given. One way cab facility will be provided only for drop. Service agreement will be for 12 months. You can see the roles and overview. I'll be giving the link in the description. You can check from there. Let's see the requirements they have asked. Knowledge of software development life cycle and principles and concepts. So make sure to add this in your resume. This is not a very big deal. Even if you don't know this, still add it in your resume. We can learn it within one day. Knowledge in simple and complex SQL queries is required. So if you don't know SQL, you can search SQL learn with Devjit and learn SQL from our playlist. It's about SQL because they have focused about SQL and SDLC mainly. You should have excellent logical and communication skills like oral, written and listening ability. Registration process will be fill in your relevant details and preference in the MS form link. So we have to fill this form. Ensure above mentioned details are correct. You won't be able to edit them once submitted. So make sure you are filling all the correct details like your name, email ID, contact number, location. Okay, if you are in city, you are interested to work in Coimbatore or not. So make sure to add yes here because they have posted in the job description only that you have to work from Coimbatore. Also, year of passing out you have to give 2023. If you are from any other batch, you are not eligible because it is specially for 2023 batch. And also you have to agree to the bond. Okay, service agreement. So that's it. If you have any other queries, you can comment down, but you should not have any pending backlogs, so give no. Okay, they have asked for some preferred dates, so you can choose your preferred date from here. Okay, and if you are choosing not possible to come to Chennai for interview, then you will be rejected. So try to choose any of these three. So that's it. If you have any other queries about this hiring, you can comment down. Next hiring we are going to discuss coming from IBM for software developer intern. But before moving on to this hiring, if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel because we post multiple hiring drives, exam details, onboarding updates, interview updates every day regularly in our channel. Make sure not to miss out any of these hiring videos because we are going to help you in getting multiple jobs even in this recession period. We post every day multiple job hirings, tell you what modifications you should make in your resume to get exam mails and all, everything related to that. So make sure to subscribe, click on the bell icon and also make sure to join our Telegram for any discussions related to this. So IBM hiring for software developer intern for Ahmedabad location, and they have asked for the required technical and professional skills will be to have some technical knowledge, technologies knowledge like Java, Python, these things, React, Node.js, AngularJS, HTML, CSS, these knowledges they have mentioned. So other knowledges like GitHub, HTML, CSS, strong problem solving skills, proficiency in React, Node.js, cloud and cognitive computing, proficient in data structures and algorithm, these things they have mentioned. Multiple things are there. At least add 4 or 5 of these in your resume, because there are many things you can add like this, programming languages, at least everyone knows this HTML, CSS, Python, these things everyone knows. So you have to add this in your resume, only then you can expect to get shortlisted for the next round. So that's it. Next, final hiring for today is coming from Qualcomm. They're hiring for automation engineer for Python or C. The job location is going to be Hyderabad, Telangana of India. So you have to apply for this, because this is a very good opportunity. Also, we're going to see the qualifications asked is going to be bachelor's degree in engineering, information system, computer science or related field. If you have 0 to 3 years of experience, you are eligible. So freshers are eligible, and also those candidates who have less than 3 years of experience, they are also eligible. Skills needed is going to be Python, C and C++. So add all of this in your resume before applying. Location will be Hyderabad. Strong holding skills like C++ and developer test is needed. Python scripting language knowledge and Git practice is also needed. So candidate will be working independently. Strong problem solving skills, Linux environment experience, ability to multitask, good in writing test plans, strong OS and kernel concepts. These things they are asking. So make sure to add at least many 4 to 5 of this in your resume, because these are very basic requirements. Some of them are advanced, but mostly they are asking for basic requirements. So add this in your resume before applying. So that's it. All the hiring links will be in the description box, and if you have any queries regarding these hirings, you can comment down.